Hi and welcome to Top Crypto. In today's video, we're going to share with you guys top 3 crypto exchanges with leverage that you need to check out. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first platform that I want to introduce you guys to is Bybit. This is a great platform, especially for somebody who wants to trade with leverage. Their leverage is 1:100 and the coins that they offer is Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOX, XRP and 100 others. As per the website, they have made it easier for you to buy, sell, trade and earn cryptocurrencies, and this is their trading volume over the past 24 hours. Pretty impressive. Over here we have a little graphic that shows the market trends, so you can see how the market has been performing over a certain period of time. We have different cryptocurrency paired together, which you can see over here. We have the last traded price right there. You can also see the 24-hour change, the 24-hour high to 24-hour low, and so on. They have a really nice and easy to use intuitive crypto trading platform that provides real-time market data, and also 99.9% of the track records are available over here, so you can count on this platform. They have 24/7 multilingual support, meaning you can get answers anytime you want in any language you want. They also have flexible strategies for the traders of any level, so whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, there is something for everybody. They offer spot trading where you can buy and sell crypto seamlessly at the best rate with their competitive market liquidity. They have derivatives trading where you can hedge, speculate and increase leverage across perpetual and futures contract type. They have Bybit Earn platform where you can have yield or the return the best out of your very own gateway to the DeFi and staking products. It is recognized by various giants out there, so we have Business Insider, Bloomberg, Crypto Daily, so that's really good. So over here, when I click derivatives, we have USDT perpetual, inverse future, USDC perpetual, USDC options, copy trading, leverage tokens as well. So we have this chart over here which shows how the price has been moving over the past 24 hours. You can also see the order book, the recent trades that have been made. We have a little box over here where you can place the order, whether you want to place a spot order, market order, limit order, you can do all of that over here. The daily management fee is 0%, which is really good. This broker has been in market since 2018 and it is one of the most commonly used Bitcoin margin brokers in the area of unregulated brokers with only cryptocurrency deposits. And their popularity is really good because of their bonus system that they offer. So users who use this platform can receive small bonus payment in their account for various actions, which eventually they can use for other trading opportunities as well. And that's why it's number 1 on our list. The next platform that we recommend is Prime XBT. It is one of the great platform which has more than 100 markets that you can manage from one account. You can earn up to 14% on your cryptocurrencies. You can deposit, you can do copy trading as well, which will allow you to copy the strategies of experienced traders out there and make some money. You can trade Bitcoin, S&P 500, gold, euro, USD and so much more just in one account. It has been awarded as the best crypto and forex broker. It is the best platform for margin trading and best crypto trading app. Their order execution speed is less than 7.12 milliseconds. They execute more than 12,000 orders per second. They have 12 integrated liquidity providers and this is their overall trading volume. You can also start earning up to 14% APY on the most popular crypto assets out there. They also make things quite simple, so even if you have never done copy trading, you can still get a hang of it in few simple steps. Over here is a little example that shows you how you can maximize your profit with leverage. So let's say if your asset has increased from $7,000 to $7,045, your return would be equal to 0.64% without leverage, with 1:20 leverage, which is an increase of 12.8%. But with 1:50 leverage, it would return to 32%, which is quite ginormous. With 1:100 leverage, you're going to get 64%. So without leverage, you can get 0.64%. With 1:20 leverage, you're going to get 12.8%. With 1:50 leverage, you're going to get 32%. With 1:100 leverage, you're going to get 64%. So when I click trading tools, you can see that they offer long and short trading, Bitcoin leverage, cryptocurrency price chart, forex price charts, index price charts, commodity price charts, and copy trading. So here is a little graphic that shows you the normal trade and what happens when you do leverage trading with Prime XBT. Your profit and overall your entire strategy shall change if you go to the leverage route. The benefit of using leverage is that you only have to put down just a fraction of the value of your trade so that you can receive the same profit as a conventional trade. And you can also use leverage so that you can free up your capital and you can commit that capital to the other investments out there. You can also use leverage product so that you can speculate on market movements, which will enable you to benefit from markets that will be declining over a period of time or rising over a period of time. So if you want to get started, you're going to click start trading and follow the prompts. So on this platform, you can trade perpetual contracts as usual without any expiry date. So the other than with the traditional futures contracts, you can also keep your position open or close to whatever you want. So this margin broker has been around since 2018 and it has a really good reputation because of their professionalism, excellent trading engine, and reliable processing and withdrawals. Their customer service is also really good, very helpful. So that's why it's number 2 on our list. So traders who don't own Bitcoin can get it on this platform through their linked user, and that cryptocurrency can also be bought with credit card. And this margin broker has been around since 2018 and it has a very good reputation because of their easy to use platform, their professionalism, and great customer service. So this is definitely worth checking out. The next one is Binance, which is one of the most comprehensive cryptocurrency trading platform in the world. Their product range include all the services that you can imagine when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So that's really good, whether you need staking, whether you want to earn interest, whether you want to do spot trading, margin trading, whatever you want. Binance also offers both altcoin exchange and Bitcoin and altcoin margin trading and cryptocurrency futures as well. You can buy, trade, and hold more than 600 cryptocurrencies on Binance. $76 billion is the 24-hour trading volume. More than 600 cryptocurrencies have been traded. 90 million registered users exist on this platform, and they have one of the lowest transaction fees at the moment. They also have an app where you can fund your account, get your identity verified, and start participating in trading cryptocurrencies. When you click trade over here, you're going to see that they do offer Binance Convert, which is one of the easiest way to convert. You can also do spot trading, you can do margin trading, P2P trading, strategy trading, swap farming, fan token as well. When it comes to derivative, we have Binance Futures Overview, we have responsible trading, USDM futures, CoinM futures, vanilla options, leverage tokens, battles, and derivatives portal. They also have an earn tool, which is where you can earn money on your cryptocurrencies. They have savings account, BNB wall, liquidity farming, Binance Pool, staking, launchpad, and a lot of other features as well. They also have their own Visa card, their loan program, and pay program as well. And not just that, they also have their own NFT section. So if you are an NFT enthusiast, you might really like this platform as well. You can also see your subscription history over here and just have a bit more context on what is going on with your account. To get started, you need to create an account with Binance. So log in, put in your email address, your password, and follow the prompts. So more than 80 altcoins can be traded in this platform against USDT and Bitcoin as well. And the trading platform also has support to fiat currencies. So in case if you have to verify your account, of course, and this would also depend on where that fiat currency is being used. And Binance has kind of suffered in past from various hacks and, you know, a lot of difficulties as well. But the platform is really, really strong, and it is one of the giant and popular platform when it comes to cryptocurrency in the markets. So that's why this broker is still considered one of the best crypto trading platforms, especially when it comes to leverage trading. And that's why this broker is number 3 on our list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Please let us know in the comment section below which is your favorite platform among the 3 platforms we just mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. All the links as usual are mentioned in the description box below. See you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.